up, guys? Ant here.
And Tony, with Tony Hookah at hookahpro.com, bringing you guys another Shisha review. This time, we're reviewing Starbuzz Tropicoool. I don't know why I had a... Anyway.
Had a hard time saying that?
Yep.
Is that what you're going to say?
Starbuzz Tropicoool. You can't really see it. The lighting is still bad in here.
Oh, and I actually found out what my hookah was called. But I can't really pronounce it. It's like Shaman-Daman or something like that.
Shaman-Daman?
I kind of want to look it up now. But it's something like that. So,
it's still in the plastic.
So we're smoking out of a KM Shaman-Daman. The new hose, the Lotus, and the Harmony bowl with 2 coals.
In the Lotus.
Inside of the Lotus.
The one, the only. Best product ever.
Oh my gosh, shut up.
I should review this after.
After?
We have to. We have to review this at some point. Anyway, okay. Oh, smell. So I just put it
I don't think we've used it enough.
I think we have. Anyway, the smell. It smells really good.
Hey. It smells exactly like Fruit Stripes gum. The original, like, fruit one. That's what it smells like.
He's absolutely right.
I smelled it, and I was like, what does this smell like? And then I just got that little...
Might as well put it away. We already know what it smells like. Fruit Stripes gum.
Which just smells like a bunch of fruit combined. If you've never had or smelled Fruit Stripes. Yeah, it smells like a bunch of fruits combined.
It's like tangy.
Yeah. Like a bunch of... Like, tropical fruits.
Clouds are a solid 9.5. Pretty big. One thing you gotta notice, if you don't, you won't smell it, but when you taste it, this tastes like cooling. Obviously, Tropicoool. Kind of tastes like Starbuzz Blue Mist, which is kind of bad, in my opinion.
Why is that bad?
Well, Blue Mist is good, but
every time Starbuzz tries to cool a flavor, it always tastes like
Blue Mist.
Blue Mist.
Which I guess isn't a bad thing, but I kind of want like a different cooling flavor, you know? But it does have like a tropical sort of taste. It tastes like mango, and you get a lot of aftertaste of pineapple, in my opinion. How are the clouds, bro?
Not bad.
They were a little bit better earlier in the bowl.
Tastes like tropical fruits, which is kind of a given. You do taste pineapple. And mango. I'm trying to think of tropical fruits that I can actually taste.
It's kind of like a generic sort of tropical flavor. You can't really point out like a lot of different tropical flavors. On the package, it has pineapple, watermelon, oranges. Lemons.
I don't taste any watermelon at all.
I don't taste any watermelon either.
I do taste citrus, so I can see the orange.
Yeah.
You kind of get that citrusy
tanginess.
Yeah. So you kind of taste the citrus, but I can't really taste orange.
Yeah. Flavor intensity, I'm going to give a 7. It's really not that strong at all, in my opinion. I think the strongest flavor in here is the cooling effect of it, which isn't always a bad thing. But
the only time you really get a flavor is when you exhale, and then that's when you get the cooling effect. Well, you get the cooling effect in your throat when you inhale, but
it tastes really cool when you exhale.
There's not too much going on here.
Yep.
I'll give the flavor strength 6.5.
Yeah.
The Blue Mist thing did a little bit.
It did.
I want something new. I'd rather have this just tropical flavors without the cooling.
Right.
To get away from Blue Mist.
We're not saying Blue Mist isn't a bad flavor. I really like Blue Mist, but
you just said that Blue Mist is a bad flavor. You said we're not saying that Blue Mist isn't a bad flavor.
I said it is a bad flavor.
That's not what you said.
Alright, well,
You'll know.
yeah, when I edit this, I'll figure it out. But, Blue Mist isn't a bad flavor. It's just we don't want to taste only Blue Mist when it's not Blue Mist.
Yeah, I'd rather just have the tropical fruit. I wish it tasted like Fruit Stripes gum, but
It's a good idea for a flavor, though.
yeah, I give it a bowl. It's a very unoriginal idea for a flavor. But
Overall, 7.
same, 7. Even with the clouds, it's just bland and
Is this bold, actually?
yeah, it's Starbuzz bold.
Oh, shit. Bold.
It's not
really
bold.
not bold.
It's not bold. I actually
That's why I
haven't.
was surprised.
I
when
haven't
saw
noticed
that.
any of a difference
between
between bold and just the
exotic.
exotic line. Not exotic line, but original Starbuzz.
But yeah, I was excited to try this for the first time.
This isn't the first time.
No, but I wasn't really that impressed with it, to be honest.
It's not bad by any means. It's just not something that I'd prefer.
There's a lot of flavors like this out there that are probably better than this, anyway.
Yes.
But that's it.
There's not much to say about a flavor that you're not a big fan of.
Yeah, really. But yeah, it's probably be a shorter video.
Yeah, I think it's over now. I have nothing else to say.
Yeah. All right, Starbuzz Bold. What was it? Tropicoool. It's not even worth saying again.